Hi everyone. You might not notice anything different with the audio and stuff, but if you pay attention very closely, the audio is slightly better. And there's a reason for that. I actually got some, no, honestly, headphones. I actually got some new headphones. New headphones, so yeah. Do Seaside Kingdom. Today, Seaside Kingdom. So they're serving frosted cake at the wedding, are they? Not if we serve them a defeat first. Seeing as we've got some time to kill, let's review some useful skills. Travel tip, ground pound jump. When you want to get up high and a regular jump won't quite do it, jump right after a ground pound. This so-called ground pound jump will give you the boost you need. Well, there it is. Let's read up on the Seaside Kingdom. There they have a currency that supposed to be quite nice, and it says here it to be sure we visit the four giant fountains. The grasses have empty overflows, the parent have you look at you or overflowing if you want to count in the air. So that's in half. We need 10 here? Huh. Well, also, today I'm filming this May 6th. I turned another year older. It was supposed to be a special video today, but I thought I didn't have enough time. But the special video will be on May 7th or something. So, and also, I might have forgotten the controller at my desk again. So, if you notice Joy-Con drift, like right there. It's because I'm using the Joy-Cons again, so yeah. I will not disclose my age on the internet. Allie, try all you want. I will never surrender the delicious sparkling water. Oh, he's mad now. 3 fountains left. Yeah, I can't really do trick jumps with Joy-Con drift, so bear with me as I attempt to do trick jumps. Thinking that I can, but I can't with Joy-Con drift because Joy-Con drift sucks, and honestly, I really hope Switch 2 doesn't have Joy-Con drift. I really hope they go to the newest thing without drift, whatever that is. And also, this is, in my opinion, where we was getting almost to get 15 of these pepper coins in. Like, it might take me a whole 10 minutes just to get 15. I still think I can do the speedrun tactic in the Kingdom using Joy-Con drift, but yeah. Now time to go up to uh I forgot the name. The octopus guys. That's real crazy. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh, so since today I turn another year older, here's a bunch of gifts I got. Two Mario Kart regular sets, Yoshi one, and then the Toad one. Then Switch, a used Switch Lite, a Fire tablet. Let's see, cookies. They're pretty good. Uh, Power beats. I'm actually into those things, believe it or not. They are fun. So, please no comments about Pearl Beach or further. I guess I don't never actually know it. Should I am a male. Wait, second. Skip the White House flagpole. Backpack. I think I might actually forgotten to, yep. Hopefully I never make this mistake again. To be honest, actually in my mom's car, I'm just way too lazy to go outside right now, so, bear with me. That's my laziness takes over. Mm, 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 mm. Since I warped, there should be like a gray moon up here. You can actually do it without the gray moon. I wonder how long it took them to get there. Whatever it is. Wait a second. Is this the king? What wasn't one of the king's people to fight the king? Nah! Oh. Where is what? How is he still spinning? There we go. Usually he will just walk away. So this way is actually faster. Okay, microphone is on. So, just have to make sure the microphone's on. I got new headphones. This is me without the mic. Actually, I don't think you can even hear me. But this is me without the microphone. And this is me with the microphone. So yeah. If you can't hear me without the microphone. Hi. There's a phone thing that goes above it. My goodness. What what a pretty sunset. And it is so nice that the fountains and the sparkling water are back. I'm going to pause real quick. Okay, I'm back. I put the phone thing back on. But it doesn't seem like Bowser is in this kingdom anymore. So we head to next. That would be nice, but I'm kind of missing 2 moons. And no, I'm not doing volleyball for Fairy. I haven't been able to do that ever. And no, we are not going to Metro Kingdom for the Cape artwork. We are going to miss that jump and jump on this umbrella. We're going to go to this sub area. I died because of Joy-Con drift. I hate Joy-Con drift. Eventually, I do want to play Kaizo Ozzy, but for that, you need a mod. I don't know actually how to mod this, because I've heard that it's hard. So try the easiest hard mode mod. Superstars, however it was, it's like a super old thing. I doubt any of you really know much about mods because there are no viewers on these for some reason. Uh, okay. Why is it so small? Also, pause. Because that's what she said. I wonder if there's a super easy mode to this game, like a mod that makes it super easy. And now we have enough! Eventually, to the next kingdom. Also, does anyone know what this is? And yes, I use soy thing. Does anyone know what this is? Thanks.